Imagine living a life in space for 9 long months, witnessing sunrise and sunset almost 6 times in a day, and living a life which is completely different from Earth, where you have to just float because there is no gravity. So it sounds unreal, right? So this is how Sunita Williams and her crew members have gone through for 9 long months. So I'll just wrap up whatever they have experienced in the space station for 9 long months in this video. Let's dive in. Sunita Williams. So Sunita Williams and the fellow astronauts who went along with her to International Space Station has become the sensational news. So I literally felt very fascinating because the knowledge which I had was if you go beyond Earth, it's like there won't be gravity. It's like literally humans has to float. Rather, we can't walk, we can't sit, we can't run. Generally, like what we does in Earth is not possible in like outer Earth. So here it's like through these people's experience, we got to know many things, like additional interesting things through their experience. So Sunita Williams and their crew members was expected to come back after 8 days because of some technical issue. They got stuck in the International Space Station. So although they got stuck, they didn't get frightened. They took the challenge very sportively. So they did different things, like they celebrated Christmas, they celebrated Diwali. They even went to an extent to give their vote, like to take part in the American election. So I literally felt very fascinating. It's like how they took the challenge so sportive is a question. Like they had a very broad smile. So many interesting things happened throughout this 9 months. It's only yesterday they came back, and right now everyone are speaking about it. So I literally felt very interesting to talk about this topic. That's why I'm here. So first thing is it's like no gravity. Here we can walk in Earth, we can walk, we can sit, we can run, we can dance, but there it's like it's literally like floating. Like everyone would float, every objects would float. It's quite a challenging task, but they didn't show that much challenge. It's like they took it very sportively. It took like 9 long months. They literally got a seating position. It's only when they go to sleep they were provided with a sleeping bag or something like that to sleep. It's like they slept, and other than that they will be like fully in a floating motion. So I literally felt very fascinating how people can take it so sportively. And to say about food, although they was provided with high rich protein food, it was like so many restriction. Even bread was not allowed. As you know, there is no gravity, no. So what it's like, bread crumbs would spill, even that would float. So it would make more challenge to them. So there was very much restriction for 9 long months. They didn't even get a proper what to say, satisfying food. And to say about water, although they was given a pretty much enough water for usage, it's like it was they was in need of more water. So they even went to an extent to recycle their human that is own urine. So to say about and another thing is like how did they care their physical health. It's like they worked out for 2.5 hours every day. So, and another fascinating thing is that the costliest toilet, so like 250 crore or something, yeah, the costliest toilet in the world. I'm not very sure about the count. So even the comeback was such a challenging thing. Yesterday, while they landed in the Atlantic Ocean, you could see, although they had a broad smile, they was taken in a sort of a stretcher like thing because it's been 9 long months they walked. So they have to start from scratch, just like a baby walk. They had to start like slowly from the scratch. So it's like such a challenging thing. Those who find their life challenging would truly feel, okay, this is what the real challenge is. It's such a proud moment. And I literally felt this has to be delivered in my own words because I literally felt very fascinating. I had a goosebumps, so that's why I thought of sharing with you all. So for more updates, stay tuned to my channel just by clicking over the subscribe button. Thank you.